Morning guys, welcome back to the next episode of Autowerks Diaries, and today I'm here with the Honda Civic Type R, also known as the FL5 Type R. So what are we installing? Milltek's catback exhaust. This is the first set here in Thailand. We're really excited to have it on the car. For those who have had the opportunity to drive the Type R, you know that there is absolutely no exhaust sound. Instead, we have to live with a frustrating, amplified sound, manufactured sound inside the cabin. So we're really hoping that this does some justice to this beautiful new model. So first, let's talk about the exhaust. This car opted for the catback system. No tuning is required. As you can see, it deletes the front resonator and secondary cat, then followed by the rear exhaust itself, which retains the original factory valve. And most importantly, we get rid of the extremely ugly original tips. But we retain the 3-tip style, but much larger. And this particular car, we opted for the black Cerakote tips, which we think will fill the rear diffuser beautifully. So we're gonna walk you through the install, then we're gonna show you what it sounds like before and after, so you can see what the stock and the Milltek system sounds. Additionally, proud to present to you Autowerks Performance. These are a small but intuitive product here. It is actually a grill kit for the front fenders, which help protect your doors and your side sills from any stone chips. We're going to be installing those as well, and then we're going to go into more detail once they're installed in the car. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just finished installing the Milltek exhaust on the Honda Civic Type R. First impressions, sounds great. Not only does it sound great, it looks great. As we mentioned before, the original exhaust does not do this car justice. The tips are chrome and they look just completely out of place. So with this black optional tips, it really filled up the rear diffuser and the rear bumper. So now we're gonna get in the car, we're gonna do some revving, we're gonna let you hear what it sounds like standstill, and then we're gonna take it for a drive so you hear what it sounds like on full throttle. So thanks for watching. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.